Jason King here with J. King Real Estate. We're getting ready to go check out the new Riverwalk walkway that starts from Saluda River Dam all the way down to downtown. The first phase is completed. We're going to check it out today.
Once this is all complete, all three phases, you'll be able to ride your bike from this very spot and end up in downtown Columbia, West Columbia, and Casey. And that experience will be unlike any you'll be able to find in the country. And it will be ours. And that's special. This will be where friends meet up after a long day. And walk and talk just because they need it. I can tell you that this will be a place for first dates. I don't know if you're looking for ideas. Want to help you out? I can tell you that children will get a taste for the wild here, which is special. And I can tell you that some will learn to ride their bike for the first time in this space. And these are lasting memories. These are core memories. And I'm super proud to be a part of something like that. All of these memories will build and tie us to this place. They will become a deep root that bonds us together as well as us to nature. And that's a special thing to be a part of. And so I say again, where I started in the beginning, what a gift. What a tremendous gift.